Hello there. Ever wonder who changed a specific cell in your Google Sheet or when it was edited? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check a cell's history in just a few clicks. Start by opening your Google Sheet where you want to track changes. Make sure you sign into a Google account with edit access. Now right-click on any cell and select Show Edit History from the drop-down menu. This option will only show if the cell has been edited before. A small window will pop up showing who made the last changes, what was changed, and when. Use the arrow to scroll through previous edit for that cell. This is perfect for team projects, share reports, or just making sure no one accidentally changed something important without you knowing. And that's how to check edit history on any cell in Google Sheets. So if this was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tips, and drop your question in the comment.